Commercial Saeco Espresso Coffee Machine. 5 Best Picks on Amazon. Milkwood. Commercial Saeco Espresso Coffee Machine is a manufacturer of automatic espresso machines, also known as bean-to-cup equipment. There are many options available in the market when seeking for a good espresso machine, which can be confusing. We've compiled a list of the best commercial Saeco Espresso coffee machine to assist you in making an informed decision. Commercial Saeco Espresso Coffee Machine, Saeco Incanto. Commercial Saeco Espresso Coffee Machine, Saeco Zelsis. Commercial Saeco Espresso Coffee Machine, Saeco Pico Baristo. The Saeco Incanto, in whatever variant, carafe or wand, is one of the most cost-effective devices in the company's automatic machine line. The Zelsis Super Automatic Espresso Machine combines a number of useful features to produce the ideal cup of espresso. Pico Baristo can also be considered a viable option, since the machine is equipped with cutting-edge technology and an elegant design. The commercial Saeco Espresso coffee machine have shown to be one of the best specialized automatic espresso machine manufacturers throughout the years.